amazing, awesome, dependable, reliable, a lot of good words. That's what Holthaus Roofing has been for me and for the buildings I've been responsible for. My name is Ken Batchelor, and I am the Director of Finance and Operations here at Peoria Academy. About 3 years ago, we had an aging roof. We had several companies come out and take a look and give us estimates. And Holthaus actually gave us better products at a more reasonable price than the other bids that we had, both on dollars, and he won because of his reputation and quality of workmanship. They're local, they've been in the community, they have a good reputation, they stand behind their product. I mean, those are all qualities you look for in a partner. Holthaus Roofing has done a great job helping me manage the budget and the quality of work so that I know we're in good shape for years to come. Anybody that would ask me, I would highly recommend using Holthaus Roofing. They're a great company.